This section examines basic EFI systems. EFI systems use electronically controlled injectors to spray the fuel. There are two basic systems: throttle body injection, also called single point injection, and multi-point injection. Throttle body injection sprays fuel into the air as it passes through to the intake manifold. Multi-point injection has an injector for each cylinder, which sprays fuel directly into the intake valve port. The whole system has a fuel tank to store the fuel, a fuel pump to circulate fuel and provide pressure in the system, a fuel filter to clean the fuel and protect the injectors, a fuel rail or pipe to supply the injectors with fuel, injectors which spray into the intake valve ports, a pressure regulator to control pressure in the system, a throttle body with a throttle valve to control the flow of air to the engine, an air cleaner, ducting and an airflow meter to provide clean measured air, and a plenum chamber or surge chamber to dampen the flow of air. There is also an electronic control unit, a computer that receives data from sensors around the engine. It processes this data and uses the results to operate the injectors.